Today, I'll show you how to insert a code block in Google Docs in a clean, readable way that looks great and is easy to share. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to format your code so it stands out from the rest of your document and is much easier for others to read and understand. First, go ahead and open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing one where you want to add your code. Give the page a second to fully load so all the menus and options appear at the top. Now, to add properly formatted code, we're going to use a special add-on. At the top of your Google Docs window, look for the menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where Google Docs lets you add extra features that don't come built in by default. From the Extensions menu, select the option that says Add-ons or Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel. In the search bar, at the top of that window, type Code Block and press Enter. You should see an add-on designed specifically for formatting code in Google Docs. Click on it to open its details page. On that page, click Install. Google will then walk you through a short permissions process. This is normal for add-ons. You might be prompted to choose your Google account. Then you'll see a list of permissions the add-on is requesting. Take a moment to scan through them so you're comfortable with what it can access. When you're ready, click Allow to finish installing the add-on. The installation usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's installed, you can close the Marketplace window and return to your document. To start using the Code Block tool, go back up to the Extensions menu. You should now see the Code Block add-on listed there. Hover over it or click it, and then choose the option to start or open the add-on. This will usually open a sidebar on the right side of your document. In that sidebar, you'll see options for formatting your code. One of the most important settings is the programming language. Click on the language drop-down and choose the language that matches your code, such as JavaScript, Python, HTML, or whatever you're working with. Picking the correct language helps the add-on apply proper syntax highlighting, which makes keywords, strings, and comments stand out visually. Now, go to the main body of your document and paste your code where you want it to appear. You can paste it first as plain text, or you can select existing text that you've already typed or pasted in earlier. Once your code is in the document, highlight the entire block of code you want to format. With the code selected, go back to the sidebar of the add-on and look for a button or option to format or insert the code block. When you click this, the add-on will automatically convert your selected text into a nicely formatted code block, often with a shaded background, monospaced font, and clear line spacing. If something doesn't look quite right, you can undo and try again, or switch the language in the sidebar and reapply the formatting. Take a moment to scroll and make sure the entire snippet is included. And that's it. You've opened Google Docs, installed a code block add-on through Extensions, chosen your programming language, and pasted and formatted your code as a clear, professional-looking code block.